Hello everybody, welcome to my first video on YouTube. So I'm gonna do a simple, straightforward analysis on why Bitcoin is gonna reach 35k. Okay, this is pure technical analysis. I'm not using any fundamentals or news involved. We are basically looking at a raw naked chart here. So as you can see, this is Bitcoin's chart on a weekly time frame. So I wouldn't use any Fibonacci's, trend line, or the blocks, etc. What I'm going to do is I will change, candles. I will change the whole chart to line chart because candles have too much noise. Line chart blocks out the noise and enables you to see with clarity. So you can see there are edges, all right? So there is a sharp edge. These are edges, as you can see. Do you see these edges? So I'll call them A and V. These are A and this is a V. All right? So why does the price moves up or why does the price moves down? There are reasons to it. And everything, every price movement is determined by what happened in the past. So in order to see whether it moves up or down, we have to see what happens in the past. So this is what normally I do. Now, I will look for significant edges. A, okay, you see the A? Or V's, look at the V's. And I will make a marking. All right, I will look for, let's look at this. This is a V, okay? And this is a A. You see that? There's an A and there's a V. So let's remove them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my rectangle tool and I will mark a base. Or we call it a zone. I prefer to call it a base. So this will be a base. All right. Always begin with weekly. Always begin with weekly. So the higher the time frame, the stronger the base. Now you can see, as you can see, how did the price move recently? Right? Why did the price shoot up or moon since October 2023? There is a reason. Because look at this base. This base was created from July 2021. Okay, 12 July 2021 and also May 30th 2022. All right, let me just repeat just in case you don't understand how I mark the base. So look for significant V, A. All right, look to the left, always look to the left, V and A. Now get a rectangular tool, mark in between. Okay, so you have a base. Now observe the price as we zoom in. See, the price fell. Now why did the price stop here? Okay, why did the price stop here? Let's go back a bit. Let's look at the history of the charts. So why did the price stop here? Remember I talked about the A, the V's and the A. Now you can see this is one significant A. Okay, when price reaches the A, it either rebound or it either breaks and continue to drop. So this was the reason why the price stopped. if you can see, at November 21, 2022, and rallied since then. Okay, so let's get back. As you can see, the price has been moving, okay? And after it tested the base, okay, take note of this base, this is the first base. After it tested the first base, it fell to break. Price fell. You can see in the weekly candles, okay, the price fell. If you look at the daily candles, price tested perfectly once, twice, and on the third time, the price broke the weekly base. So the green rectangle is the weekly base. Okay, remember this. Now back to A and back to V. So do you see that we have A? Okay, so what I'm going to do is, let's cut. Okay, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to mark from A to V. Now we have a new base again. Do you see that? We have a new base again. So now price is trapped in between the top base and the bottom base. Okay? Let's play. See how the price move. Okay, let's just exit this replay bar. Now, notice that, this should be my new base. Okay, so I will take this A and this V. Understand? I will take this A and this V, and I will use a rectangular tool and mark a new base. See how the price moves. Okay, how the price move. That's why I like to use line chart, because if you use candle, there is too much noise. So you see that there is a, what do we call this, a reverse. If you zoom in on August 28, 2023, this is what we call inverted hammer. Okay, so inverted hammer means, okay, inverted hammer means that there is selling pressure, that price might go down, okay, might break the base. But as you see, okay, what happened? If what happened to the price? Price rallied and broke through. So this is the reason why I don't use candles. Yes, I do use candles, okay, but on my second stage of analysis. My first stage of analysis, right, I will use line chart. I always start with the line chart. Okay, so now back to why BTC will reach 35K. Why? And why BTC? Okay, why BTC? Why Bitcoin? So this weekly candle, okay, if we zoom into daily, why did Bitcoin pump and Bitcoin drop? Now, very simple. If you notice, this was due to the so-called Bitcoin ETF approval, right? You had a pump, then the price went down. So news or headlines regarding ETF, regarding crypto ban are just News are news. News are noise. Simple. News are news. News are noise. I never follow the news. Okay, I follow what is given in the charts. Show me the charts, I'll show you the news. So let's use back my theory, okay, the A and V theory. Do you see that? Do you see there's a V here and there is an, okay, let's make it more clearer just in case you guys don't understand. Look for the nearest V, look for the nearest A. Okay, now this will create base or zones. See that? This will become your base or your zones. This is why I don't like to use a candle. See, everything is right. Look at this base. So after this base is formed, price went up, okay, close above, zoom in, close above, and on the next week price went down and closed below, and since then, boom, since then it was downhill. So this base was not this is not a fresh base, okay, this is not a fresh base. This base has been touched but has not been broken towards the upside. It has been touched, it has been tested, but price fell. So base, sorry, so the price will always come back. Will always come back to that base. This is what it did last week. And why did price push to 49? Why did the price push to 49? It's very simple. Change back to weekly time, line chart, and we switch to a lower time frame. Okay, we switch to daily, and in the daily time frame, we are gonna do the same thing. So I'll remove these circles. Okay. Now, don't get confused. Look for significant A. We have A. Do you see that? Then we have a V. So let's mark them. Okay, let's mark them. Now, let's make a base for the daily time frame. So this is the daily base. Okay, this is the daily base. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it all the way here, okay, and daily base, right? See what price did? See what price did? Went here, pop, tested, pop, okay, it scooped up some liquid. So there were liquidity built here. This equal highs, it's buy side liquidity. So it took the liquidity, boop, and went up here again. Why did the price went to this area? Same thing. After taking the liquidity, why did the price went up even further? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna refer back to the left. Always look to the left. Okay. Let me mark for you. See this A? Is a significant A? Sorry. Okay. Another A, V. Look for A and look for B. Draw the base, I repeat, draw the base between the V and the A, or the A and the V, and then track the base. So you saw that? Price during March 28, 22 tested this base, daily base, okay, fell to break and poop, drop even further. So let's see where. See that? So this base has been broken, okay? Has been broken. Orders here has been collected. All right? So that's why the price dropped. Now, let's go back. Let's go back to weekly time frame. And to answer your question, why Bitcoin next stop is 35K. Okay, let me show you. Back to weekly time frame. Look for significant V. Okay, look for significant V. Yes, there is V here, but why do I mark this V? This is because the nearest A to the V, okay? So this is the A, okay? This is the, if you look to the left, where's your nearest A? This is your nearest A, correct? Right? Follow me, yeah? Now, look to your left, where is your nearest V? This is your nearest V, not this. So your base has to be between, okay, the nearest A and the V. It takes a while to understand it, I know. So you have to look at the charts on a consistent basis, okay? Let me remove that. So let me change this to weekly base. This is why Bitcoin is gonna revisit 35,000. This is the base that has not been revisited or retested. See that base here has been revisited, right? And retested. And as I mentioned, okay, you have to take note the daily base also. This is why the price went all the way to 49, because there is a base, at 49,000. So always start, okay, don't get confused, always start with the higher time frame, mark the weekly base, and then zoom in to daily time frame on the line chart and look for the daily base. Now look, this is the current price, okay? Where is the nearest base? Look for the nearest base. As you can see on your left, we have a base. Okay, we have a base. We have a daily base, right? You have the V, you have the A, correct? What happened to the base? What happened to the base? As you can see, the base is broken. So once the base is broken, the price will look for the next base or the next zone. See how the price closes below this base multiple times? It closed, it went up, closed below. So this has indicates that this base is broken, it's a weak base. And if price were to come in again, price would definitely break through. So let me delete this, because this base has been like, yeah, we can't use it base, it's broken. Always look for fresh base. If a base is been respected or it has been tested once, is still fine. For example, this base, Okay, so this base was drawn from these two V and A all the way here. It has been respected once, not broke. It has been tested once, not broken. All right, and it has been tested twice. So my guess, okay, what will happen is price in the future, once it comes back to this base, it will definitely break and it will go higher. Okay, so let's get back to why Bitcoin will reach 35K. Now back to the line chart, back to daily. So as you can see, we have these are A, okay, no, these are V, 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 V. Now, where's the A? This is the A. See that? Not this. We cannot use this A because this A has been broken. Yes, I know this is an A. Don't get confused, yeah? Look for fresh A. I call this fresh A. This A has been broken, so please don't use this A. Alright? This is a fresh A. And together with this during November 21, 2023, the price almost tested but failed to test. Okay, how is this base made? How did I draw this base? From this A to this V. Okay, so this is a new base. This is a new daily base. Price will come back to collect orders at this base, just like the price did to this base. Can't you see? Can't you see? So I personally have opened a short position from 43K, yeah, 43K if not mistaken. So what I did was let's say you're trading, okay, let's say you're trading in MT4 or in crypto exchange. If you're trading margin trading or future trading, what I'm going to do is to look for entry, I will zoom into lower time frame, okay, which is H4. I won't use H1. Now, can't you see this? Look at there's plenty of V here, okay? So what I did was I made a base. Okay, I made a base. I'll call this my daily, and not daily, 4-hour base, okay, a 4-hour base. And after the price broke, okay, I took an entry here. I took a short position. I took a short entry. So this was my entry zone. This whole yellow box, okay, my stops were quite high. I think my stops was around 4. Yeah, well, my stops was around there. Okay, and I took a short. I'm still running. I'm running profit all the way to 35,500. So in the event, the price reverse on me, I will still open another short. Okay, where is my next short position? This will be my next short position. So can you see this A? This is an A. Let me mark again. 1A, 2. This is the V. Okay, so I have drawn a base. If price were to reverse on me, I will take another shot from around here. So guys, Okay, so guys, that's all. I don't want to take much of your time. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you found this useful, and I will keep you guys updated on my short positions. So till next time, guys.